Everybody, Nico here, and we have Anvil Mountain number 4. This house is for Dustin Eldridge, and hey Dustin, if you're watching this, just want to give you an update on the progress of your water and sewer taps. So let's check it out. So yeah, we got some massive trenches here. The town guys are down there hooking up the sewer line. This is the sewer line right here. There's the foundation for the house. And it looks like Rusty has got the water line just about backfilled. So that was a trench. That trench went all the way to that pile right there. And there's the curb stop. So jump over here. Peyton's down in there. There's the water line that'll come up in the crawl space. So big time activity around here. So that's it for now. Over and out.